Hi all, it's David here from DP Computing. Today we're just going to be doing an unboxing of a Leader Ultrabook. It's a SC550 and here you can see the front of the case. I'll just go through, open it up, give it a see what's inside and probably show you some of the specs of this machine, but I'll just show you the box itself. There's nothing too exciting, I suppose. Okay, the right way. There you go. So we'll just open it up now. So there we have the actual unit itself. And then I'll get the unit out. Here's the unit, it has some discs and a box full of stuff, so there's nothing else left in the box. Put that to one side. So in this box I believe it should be just the power adapters. So there we go, just got a standard brick there and a Australian actual wall socket, wall plug. This one is an output of 19 volt 3.42 amp, and I can't see a part number anywhere easily, but there's the details of that. As you can see here, we've got a Windows 8.1 Pro CD and notebook driver CD. Here's just your normal Leader Care details for their warranty. And here's the unit itself. So that's the top of the unit, got the bottom of the unit there. So just a warning here, warning, please connect power pack before switching on the notebook for the first time. Do not reset or power off during the initial Windows startup process. So there's the unit, it's got the normal keypad, no number pad, but trackpad down the bottom, and so the screen you probably can't see at this angle, but there's a little webcam at the top of the screen. On this side we've got the power, SD card slot, USB, and what's that last one there? Looks like a headphone jack. The front there's no actual connectors, and then on the other side we have a lock, the Ethernet port, two USB 3 ports and a HDMI port. So there we are, there's a quick unboxing of a Leader Ultrabook, which is a Leader Companion 550. Thank you for watching, and on the back here it says it's an X501H 4th gen, so a Leader Companion X501H 4th gen, but it's also a Leader Companion 550. So there you have it, a quick unboxing of this Leader Ultrabook. Thanks for watching, and please check out our YouTube channel for other videos. Thanks again, I'll catch you next time, bye for now.